Two northern Arizona wildfires are still burning out of control this morning. This is near the Grand Canyon's north rim. The White Sage fire is more than 40,000 acres wide, and the Dragon Bravo fire has tore through 5,000 acres already, and that destroyed the historic Grand Canyon Lodge. It also forced park closures. CBS News correspondent Ian Lee is in Fredonia, Arizona. This is about 20 miles north of the White Sage fire. Good morning to you, Ian. When we last spoke about 3 hours ago, it was pitch black where you were. I couldn't see anything. So what are you seeing now, and what is the status of those fires?
Yeah, hi, Errol. Let me give you a bit of lay of the land now that we can actually see in the distance. Behind me, you do see some puffs of smoke, not nearly as dominating of the skyline as we saw yesterday, where we had huge plumes. Albeit it's still early. The conditions aren't there yet for these big fires, but there's 0% containment. On the White Sage, it is now approaching 50,000 acres. Speaking with officials, they say right now they just can't get in front of it, that they're trying to attack it from the sides and try to contain it. The goal right now is to keep it away from Jacob Lake. There's a community there, there's a lodge there. They want to protect those structures, and that is one of the priorities. So far, the weather is cooperating with them, and that fire is moving away from those structures.
All right, Ian Lee, you and the crew stay safe. We appreciate the update out of Arizona. Thanks.